friends, let's see this beautiful summer drink of JalJeera, which is so refreshing. So I'm going to start by roasting 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Just roast it for about half a minute till you get the aroma. And then we're going to grind it to a very fine powder. Now you can use your mortar, pestle or your dry grinder and grind it to a very fine powder like this. Now let's see the other ingredients that we need. So this is half a cup of mint leaves or pudina. Wash the mint leaves well. And this is half a cup of coriander leaves. Wash the leaves well again. This is our 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder that we just roasted and ground. Next we're going to have need some salt to taste. Now you can also use black salt. This is the juice of half a lemon, so about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And this is half a liter of ice cold water. So all I did is just took water and added ice cubes to it and kept it in the refrigerator. And this is some bundi for garnish, and this is completely optional, but it really elevates the taste of the dish, or of this drink rather. So let's start. Now I'm going to add the mint leaves or the pudina. Next goes in the coriander to my mixer jar. Next I'm going to add the roasted cumin powder. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. Like I said, you can either use plain salt or you can use black salt. And then some lemon juice. Now we're going to grind this to a very fine paste. So grind it for about a minute or so till you get a nice fine paste where everything is well ground. Now what I've done is I've transferred half the water to another jar or a bottle, and I'm going to add this paste to only half the quantity of the ice cold water. And we're going to mix this really well. So stir the mixture really well. And now I'm going to add the remaining water back again, that is the ice cold water. And we're going to stir this mixture really well. Now from this, I got about 5 small glasses of JalJeera, which is so very refreshing. Guys, you need to make this in this summertime. And now I'm just going to, run this through my colander or my sieve or sift. Because, nobody wants to get those particles of pudina and coriander in their mouth when they're drinking this. So I'm just running it through a sieve, but I'm going to press it down with my spoon. Really, like press it down so that all the juices that are there in this ground paste, go into the water below. So just press it down with a spoon. And you can just dip it back into the water and again press it down like this. So do this about 2 or 3 times. And then you're going to just squeeze this out till you find that all of the juices have come out of this paste and you have a nice dry kind of paste in your hand. So you can dip it once or twice in the water and then just squeeze it out. Now for those of you who don't have a problem of having the paste, in the water, it's okay, you don't need to strain this. But I like it to, be nice and clear, and I don't like any particles, when I'm having this JalJeera. So the option is yours. So you can either strain it like this or you can leave the paste in the water. And now you see when you stir it, you get this beautiful, lovely, natural green color. And of course you can adjust the taste. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. So taste this mixture now and you can adjust the salt. And if you feel that you want some more pudina and coriander, okay, now I'm just going to add some chaat masala also, about 1 teaspoon. So like I said, if you, want to have more of the pudina taste or the coriander seed, you can just, put a small little bit of coriander and mint again into your mixer jar and again blend it and then add it. So just adjust it to your taste. Now I poured the mixture back into my pouring jar because it's easier that way to pour it into glasses. And now it's time to serve. So I'll just show you how I like to serve it. So you can keep this in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to serve it, this should be had nice and ice cold. So you're going to pour it into your glasses. So these are the small glasses. Now if you want to have a larger quantity, you can just double the quantity of all the ingredients. And now I'm just going to sprinkle some lovely bundi. So this is the salted bundi. So this really adds a lovely flavor, and you can just add the bundi when you're just about to serve it. So you get that little bit of a crunch. And now I'm just going to add some ice cubes, and this is completely optional. If you don't want to put the ice cubes, don't put the ice cubes. And then I'm just going to garnish it with the mint leaf, which is edible. So when you're having the drink, you can even munch on the mint leaf. And that's it, guys. Our lovely JalJeera is ready, and it's so delicious. You must try this out this summer. That was highly recommended from me, and you'll want to have it all the time. So make a nice big jar and treat yourself.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.